Hello everyone, it's good to have you again on this channel. This is Market Formula. Thank you for joining me. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video. This is where we talk about the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market, but once in a while we look at other markets that can also affect our economy. In this video, I'm looking at the dollar naira exchange chart. We want to see the new policy that federal government just implemented. Let's see how far it's going to push the price lower. Currently, the market is the price of dollar is crashing. I've done it on this video before, looking at this strong rejection at this level. So if you have been following me on this channel, you know that I used Fibonacci to track this particular price. That's the power of technical analysis. I don't know what's going to happen, but one thing that I know is that price moves in a particular way. We call it price action. There's a way price moves. There's a way price moves. So when I plotted my Fibonacci, I knew when it gets to this extension, it's going to find some resistance. Well, anything can happen in the market and cause this. You know, we are getting close to December, and in December you should know that there will be inflow of dollar into the Nigerian economy due to people that may want to travel, or people that are sending money to their relative from abroad. So let's just break down the numbers and see how far this price can push this policy can push price. From the Fibonacci tool that I'm looking at, this level is actually at the, let me check that level now. Okay, let me take it to 3 months. From 3 months chart, you can see that after this rejection, and this is a pullback, this candle and this candle is a pullback, then the next candle closed slightly above it, and we are seeing rejection. The first level that is going to find support is at this level here, which is at the normal one. That's the way I started plotting my Fibonacci 2. I plotted Fibonacci 2 for 6 months. So from here, plotted it, this one and this one. So plotting Fibonacci 2 for 6 months, then the extension from an harmonic pattern, you will know that the extension here, this 1.13 extension and 1.27 extension, they are levels that needs to be broken, especially when we have a trend. Fibonacci is very good for trending market, and when there is a trending market, then we see that, okay, how far can it push for it to reverse? It will pull back. When it pull back, but it's going to find support. The first level is going to find support is at this current level of 1,500. So at this 500, if he's able to break 1,500, we are looking at 1,273. So if he gets there, which also confluences with 0.618 Fibonacci level. So let's see how far it's going to push the price. The first level we are looking at is this place of 1,500. If that level is broken, and we need to know if it's broken by December. If by December this price, this candle here, is able to close below this level, then it has exposed this next level. This can take another maybe 3 months, 6 months for you to find a support around here. But I know for sure that this price is going to find support between 1,500 and 1,700. This level, this zone here. Let me just mark that zone so that we can always refer to it as we go on. So I'm looking for a support around that level. Until next time, when we see on this channel, looking at the Nigerian market, looking at it from the technical analysis point of view, I say bye for now. For some time now, the market has been on a very strong bullish move, and
Last month, the market closed bearish at a resistance. The bear was just a very small body. Looking at the weekly chart, we saw an engulfing at a resistance, telling you that the bulls are not strong enough to push price above this resistance. And for this to happen going forward, we expect that the price of dollar will fall until there is a close above this resistance, the 1,600 on the chart. If the market can close above them, that is when you can say the market has resumed another move. For now, the bears have taken over. What moves price is actually demand and supply. When the demand is more than the supply, price will move up. When the supply is more than the demand, the price will come down. That is just the basic principle that is driving the market.